Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove 9 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Because the battery isn't held in by any screws, for some repairs it might be easier just to remove it. Flip the unit over and open it up. It may be necessary to use a heat gun to loosen the adhesive that holds the LCD module to the back cover. If this is necessary, use a low amount of heat on each side and gently use the opener pick to pry the LCD module free from the back cover. Take your time with each side, and be sure to keep the heat gun far enough away from the LCD module. Once you've got the LCD module free on the top and the sides, you're going to need to press along the bottom back of it in order to pop tabs loose. Gently apply upward pressure to pop these tabs loose. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD module. Peel back the tape and unplug the cable from the digitizer. Gently use the spudger to pry the camera free from the LCD module. Take care not to use too much force, as the camera can easily bend or break. Apply strips of double-sided adhesive to each side of the back cover as shown. Reseat the LCD cable into its grooves, and plug it back into the LCD module. Plug the cable back into the digitizer. Lay the camera cable back into place and replace the camera. Remove the protective coating from the adhesive. And lay the LCD module back into place. Gently press down to secure it to the back cover. Replace the battery back onto its posts, and plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 9 6mm screws back into the bottom cover.